So in Canada, you're at 30% of the drinking water that's lost within the system before it reaches you. A lot of municipalities in North America, they have pipes that are, I would say the average age is 60, 70 years old. So they're all starting to break, and it's all potable water that's being lost before it reaches you. And it's not only a problem of wasting water. Before that treated water is lost, you have pumps that have to pump that water. So there's a lot of energy and electricity that is lost as well.